to teach you the conceptual modeling of data warehouse in the data warehousing and modeling module 1. If you take a conceptual modeling of data warehousing, we have three types. One is star schema, the second one is snowflake schema, and third one is fact constellation schema. Yes, so in the star schema we'll be having a fact table, and for every fact table we'll be having certain dimensions. For that particular dimension we'll be having a dimension table. Okay, so we'll see the definition now. The most common modeling paradiagram is the star schema, in which the data warehouse contains a large central table. As I said, it is a fact table which doesn't have any redundancy, and a set of smaller attendant tables. The attendant tables are nothing but dimension table. See, if you take the fact table, we'll be having certain dimensions. I said for every dimension we may have dimension table. So in the star schema we'll be having a large fact table with no redundancy, and for the dimensions, for a certain dimensions we'll be having its own dimension table. This is star schema. Let me explain you with the diagram. See, this is the fact table. Let us consider sales fact table here, and for the sales fact table we have dimensions called time key, item key, branch key, location key, dollar sold, and the unit sold. For the dimensions called time key, item key, branch key, and location key, we have a separate its own dimension table. See, let us take this item key. Let us take this item key, for which we have a separate dimension table with the dimensions item key, item name, brand, type, and supplier type. If you take location key, the dimension called location key, for that we have a separate dimension table with its own dimensions, that is location key, street, city, province or state, country. So if you take branch key, it has its own dimension table with its own dimensions, and similarly we have time key which has its own dimensions in its own dimension table. Since it looks like a star, we are naming it as star schema. So in star schema we'll be having a central fact table, and for every fact table we'll be having certain dimensions. For every dimension we may or may not have dimension table. Why I am saying that may not? See, if you take time key, item key, branch key, and location key, that is the first four dimensions of this fact table, we have its own dimension table. But if you consider dollars sold and the unit sold, we don't have any dimension table. Why? Because dollars sold cannot be a primary attribute. It cannot be a primary key. It cannot be unique. Dollars sold, it may be $20, $30, $40. So with this it's not possible to create a dimension table. Or similarly units sold, with this also it is not possible to create a dimension table. So it is not necessary that for all the dimensions of the fact table we should have dimension table. So yeah, every dimension may have the dimension table or may not have dimension table. Yes, next we'll move on to fact constellation. What is before that, snowflake schema. So what is snowflake schema? In this we'll be having a fact table as such in the previous type, and also dimension tables for its own dimensions. But in the snowflake schema we'll be having different levels of dimension table. Not only one dimension table, we'll be having different levels of dimension table. So this is the speciality of the snowflake schema. So let me show you the diagram of this snowflake schema. Yes, see, this is the fact table, that same sales fact table with these dimensions. So if I take item key as a dimension, then it has its own dimension table. See here, For the item dimension table, we have dimensions, item key, item name, brand, type, supplier key. For again the dimension inside the dimension table, that is supplier key is the dimension inside the dimension table called item dimension table. For this supplier key, we have again another dimension key table which has its own attributes called supplier key and the supplier type. If I want, I can go with another dimension table with reference to the supplier type. Okay, supplier type, I can name the dimension table as a supplier type dimension table, and I can create its own attributes such as supplier type, supplier name, supplier location. So under this item key, how many dimension tables we have? According to this, we have 2 dimension tables. So we have 2 levels of dimension table for the dimension item key. So we have number of levels of dimension table for every dimension in the fact table. See the next one, the location key. The location key is one of the dimensions in the fact table sales. For this location key, we have the dimension table with its own attributes, location key, street, city key. Again, for the city key, we can create one more dimension table with the attributes city key, city, province or state and country. So how many levels of dimensions we have? 2 levels of dimension. Here for the branch key, we have only one dimension table. So the number of levels is just 1 here. And if you take time, we have only one dimension table. So number of levels is 1. So the Snowflake schema have one fact table and multiple levels of dimension table. That's it. If you remember this keyword, that is done. Yes, the next type is fact constellation. Here multiple fact tables shares dimension table. So it is viewed as a collection of stars, therefore called galaxy schema or fact constellation. Yes, we'll see with the diagram. Yes, if you see this diagram, we have this is a fact table, that is sales fact table, and one more fact table we have, that is shipping fact table. So these 2 fact tables are sharing one or more dimension tables. See here, this fact table called sales and the shipping is sharing dimension table called item. Why? Because the item key, the dimension called item key is one of the dimensions in the shipping fact table, as well as the item key is one of the dimensions in the sales fact table. So the dimension table is shared. The dimension table is shared by the fact table called sales and the shipping. Clear? So only one thing you have to remember in the fact constellation, we have 2 or more fact tables. In the previous 2 types, we had only one fact table. Here we can have 2 or more fact tables which will share the dimension tables. That's it. Fact tables, 2 or more fact tables shares the dimension table. This is all about the types of schemas in the data warehouse. Hope you would have understood better. Thank you.